Ibhodi ye-SABC ibihleli inengxaki zozinzo ngaphambili ngenxa yokubeka phansi intambo kwamanye amalungu ale bhodi. Amalungu ale bhodi ikhoyo atyunjwe ngamaxesha ohlukeneyo phakathi ka-2017 no-2019 noxa nje ibhodi bekumele iphatha isithuba sonyaka abahlanu. Iphalamende ithi isekhondweni lokutyumba ibhodi entsha.
It is in the best interest of the committee that we advertise well on time to ensure that by the time the term of office comes to an end, there's a smooth transition between the old board and the new board that would be coming in. So in this regard, we are advertising now in July just to ensure that we are able to work within time.
Umbutho ozimeleyo ojongene nemicimbi ye-SABC iSave Our SABC uthi unenxalabo yokuba ixesha lokutyumba lebhodi intsha lizokuba ncinci.
We don't think that is enough time for, the public call for nominations to be done and the appointment process, because we know that that is quite a lengthy process. And we also just don't want this process to be rushed. So we've actually written a letter to the chairperson of the Portfolio Committee on Communications to voice out, our concerns about this particular issue.
Amanye amaqela aphikisayo athi ibhodi entsha mayijongane nobume bezimali lweli jelo losasazo.
The appointment of a new board that comes in is one that can reposition the SABC into an entity that produces, the content that is attractive to its viewers, that continues to make advances towards, journalistic independence that has been re-emerging since, the term of this current board.
Le bhodi ikhoyo ikhokele ukudendwa kwabasebenzi kwinzame zokuhlisa indleko. Ulelani Philip, SABC News ePhalamende.